we back at it with another video. Yes, with the inconsistent uploads, I am here. But today, I never really did a real walk around my 2011 Subaru Sti Limited, and this car is fire. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it's for the budget I had and for the how much I paid for it. It's actually quite. I know it's windy, but it's quite worth it. It's like it's dope. You feel me? So let's go around it. It is raining like. So I'm about to go over the car. It's pretty much a stock STI, and I love it with all my heart because I had two WRXs, two blah blah WRXs. I think I noted that in the last video, and this is just it reminds me of it, but it's much faster, much more stable, modern, and it's just it has that security that I know everything's gonna be okay if I hoon around the corner or just do whatever I want to it, because it just does it. It does it so well. This just has a little damage. I got the car like that, and this car is just fire. Like, honestly, like there's not another car I honestly would have rather have. There was another car I did mention. It was a 2016 328i M Sport. It was fire, I'm not gonna lie, and I kind of was in the market for an automatic car, but this came up. So it does have the stock wheels on it, the big Brembo brakes. These are carbon fiber that I'd end up replacing because the other one flew off when I was on the highway, so I had to replace it with something. I got the tint done. This car has a nasty little scratch on it. Nasty little scratch. Like, the previous owner had a nasty ex-girlfriend. She must have been pissed off. I put these on here. I was making a video, but that video did not end up being released. I debashed some of it because I didn't like that side, but the STI logo can stay. That is really it. And I just put this down. This can adjust, so I just put this down, and that's why not. So I'm gonna get in the car now because it's very freaking cold out here. So this is the interior of the car. Obviously, it's a stock STI, so you got the stock STI steering wheel, you got the cluster. I know I have a check engine light. That is for a specific reason that I will address in a minute, and it is basically flashing, all that stuff. The car is fine, I promise, but it just has a code that it doesn't like. But the car does drive completely fine. It's completely fine. I did end up replacing the stock shifter. The stock shifter was just plain and boring, so I ended up getting this one. And this glows up at nighttime. It's nothing really special. The interior has never really been special in STI or Subaru Impreza, period. But don't got the navigation for whatever reason. Got the sunroof because it's the STI Limited. Got the nice little seats. But other than that, it's just a pretty stock interior. It's pretty chilling. It's not really anything crazy. Got the heated seats and all. And obviously under the hood, I'll show B-rolls of that. But I've been planning to make this video for a very long time. It's just a simple fact I haven't made it. But I don't really have too much to say in this video. I don't really have that many plans for the car as of right now because I have other things I'd rather deal with. That is no fun by itself. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna post as much as I can with this car, and I need more cameras and more equipment to actually post the type of quality and type of videos I do want to make and produce. So other than that, I'm gonna show you some B-rolls and stuff like that. I do have my little access port right here. Enjoy the video, be sure to drop a like. I'm gonna try to do something with this channel. I know it's been a minute, and yeah, so I'll see you guys later.